Hey, welcome to Dyana's Kitchen. Guys, today I'm making some delicious curry mutton, guys, and I want to share it with you guys. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, today I'm going to cook some curry goat today, guys. So this is my mutton, guys, that I'm going to use, my goat. This is about 5 pounds of mutton. Alright, guys? So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to throw some vinegar to wash it, because you have to wash the meat. Okay? Alright, so guys, follow me. I'm going to wash the meat. So you want to definitely give it a good wash. With a good wash. Okay, I'm going to wash it again. If you don't have vinegar, if you have some lemon juice, you can use some lemon juice too and just throw over it just to wash it off, Okay. Alright, you're going to wash it one more time, guys. This is enough. This is enough washed. Alright, so now we're going to do some season. Okay, guys, let's go. Alright, guys, so my mutton already washed, so time to season it up, okay? So I'm going to show you the season that I'm going to use. So this is my powder season. I have some curry here, guys. Alright, and I have some seasoned salt, some black pepper, some red pepper seed, some ginger, all-purpose season with some powdered ginger. Alright, and I have here some garlic, okay, and some pimento seed, guys. Alright, okay, guys, so let's season up my mutton, guys. So guys, this is like 2 tablespoons of all-purpose season. Alright, and the powdered ginger mixed with it. Okay? Okay, guys? So now we're going to throw the rest of our seasoning. We're going to use this for last. Okay? And the seasoned salt, guys, I have like a tablespoon and a half of seasoned salt. This is the Jamaican one. Okay? If you want to use the other one, you can use the other one. Okay? And the black pepper is like a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And the red pepper seed, that's like a half a teaspoon of red pepper seed, guys. Okay, guys, it don't have to be perfect. When you're cooking, don't worry about perfection. All right, then we're gonna use, guys, this is the #1 thing you have to use, the curry. When you use the curry, this is like a tablespoon. Okay, so you put a tablespoon first. This can be really bitter, guys. You don't want to, you don't want your mutton to be bitter. So, this is 5 pounds, and 1 tablespoon not going to do it, because this is 5 pounds. Alright, guys. So what we're going to do, we're going to throw another tablespoon. Okay, here it is. We're going to throw another tablespoon. So that's 2 tablespoons. Because we don't want our mutton to to bitter. Alright, guys, so definitely we need more. So we're going to throw 3 tablespoons. Okay, so this is 3 tablespoons. Alright, guys, this will do it. This will do it, guys. Now, guys, we're going to throw our garlic. Okay, this is like a tablespoon of garlic. Okay, alright, guys. So guys, we're going to put this to soak. Okay, so now the salt. We're going to put like half a teaspoon of salt, because all these seasons have a whole lot of salt. So you just have to be careful. This is less than half a teaspoon. Just be careful with your salt, because these seasoned guys have a whole lot of salt, I tell you. Okay, so just be careful with your salt. Okay, look at that, guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put this down for about half an hour because I want it to soak. Okay, so let me show you the fresh season. So put that out of the way. Now is the fresh season. Guys, look at this, guys. I have some carrot here. This is the same thing. Okay, I have some hot pepper here, guys. 2 nice bungle of scallion, guys. And I have some thyme here, a nice bungle of thyme. Okay, and I have a onion here and a sweet pepper. Okay, bell pepper. So, but guys, I'm going to cut these up and I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use this for last. I'm not going to use this right now. I'm going to leave this for last. Okay, if you want, you can cut it up and your meat and just cook it one time. For me, I don't do that. I leave it for last till my meat cook, then I put it on my meat. Okay, guys, so see you shortly. So guys, I'm cutting up my season. Meanwhile, I'm waiting until my mutton soak a bit, you know. Okay guys, so my mutton already soaked. So now I'm going to throw my mutton in my pot, guys, and saute it for a while. Then I throw some water to cook it. Alright? So this is my pot with my oil. You want to throw a little oil in your pot, guys. Okay, don't throw a lot of oil, but you definitely want to throw some oil. Okay, to fry out the curry. So guys, I'm going to fry the curry for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to throw some water on it because I want it to cook. So maybe take maybe an hour or sometimes even more. Okay? Sometimes it takes maybe an hour and a half and more. Alright? So just fry it out, guys. Alright? For about 10 minutes and then throw your water in it. Alright? Sometimes if you have a big pot like this, just full it up of water because you're definitely going to keep on throwing water until this meat gets soft. Okay? Okay guys, so my mutton been sauteed for about 10 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to throw some water. Okay. Okay guys, so you want to throw your water. So guys, I'm going to leave this for about an hour. So keep on checking it, okay? Because you definitely want to make sure it's soft and tender. Okay? Alright, so I'm just going to cover this and leave it for an hour. So see you in an hour. Okay guys, so now it's been cooking for about an hour. I've been throwing a lot of water in it. Okay guys. Still want to cook more, guys. As you can see, still want to cook. It can cook, but it's not, you know, it's not tender. So we still need to throw more water. Okay, we still need to throw more water in this thing. So I'm gonna throw more water. Right. So I'm gonna leave it for another half an hour. Okay, and get back to it again. Okay. So keep on check it. So you want it nice and tender. Guys, you want to cook this for another 20 minutes. Then you're going to put your season in. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna put in my my fresh season. Okay. Okay guys. I have some Irish here. So I'm gonna use some Irish, guys. So you can cut up your Irish. I'm gonna use some Irish, guys. You don't have to use Irish, but I'm going to use some Irish too. I have 3 Irish here that I'm going to use. But again, guys, you don't have to use Irish. Oh, this spoiled. I'm not using these, guys. These are spoiled. Alright, guys, so I'm going to use some Irish. Okay guys, so that's it. Alright, I'm going to throw my Irish in. Guys, I'm going to throw my carrot in. That's my carrot. And guys, this is my season. So I'm going to throw my season in. And my season. This is my pepper and everything. I'm not going to put the pepper in, I'm just going to put one for now. So these are really, really spicy. Okay. So this, guys, so I put my fresh season in. So right now the fresh season and everything gonna cook now. Because the meat already cooked. Okay, I have on the meat for an hour, then I for 1 hour, and then I put it back for another 20 minutes. So now I just throw the season in. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna leave it for another about 15 minutes so the season and everything can cook. You know, the season and the meat can combine together. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm gonna leave this for about 15 minutes because the Irish have to cook too. So I just put in the Irish potato, guys. Alright, so I will see you in about 15 minutes. Alright. Okay guys, so this is finished. Look at this, guys. It's finished. Looking delicious. Looking really, really delicious, guys. So guys, I'm gonna dish it and show you the result. Guys, you can eat this with anything, guys, okay? You can eat this with some rice and peas, some white rice, you know, some caramel dumpling, whatever your heart desires, some yellow yam, whatever your heart desire, guys. Okay, I'm gonna dish it and show you right now, guys. So guys, this is my curry mutton with my white rice and a little vegetable at the side and a nice glass of orange juice, guys. So guys, if you watch the video and you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, you know, share if you like, you know, leave me a comment. All right, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.